Welcome again to another video. It's your boy Eldorado, and in this tutorial video I'm going to show you how I get my emotional chord progression going for my dancehall beats. There are many other ways you can do it, but I find that this is one of the most efficient way for me to do my emotional type chords in my dancehall beats. Anyways, without further ado, we go get into it. So we go change the tempo to about 100 BPM, and we go load FL keys for now. Emotions in dancehall beats can come out in a various amounts of way, but for this particular one, go make it up tempo like, and we go make it softer. But first, before we get into that, I like to use plugins that are really bright to hear what I am doing. Now follow along and listen carefully, because I'm going to give you some tips when you can really use. First, alright, so we're in the key of F minor. So go to this drop down menu here, helpers, scale highlighting, F, and go to natural minor here. So it's hard to really miss going on the wrong notes. So first, what I'm going to do, or the most efficient way that I really find, is making straight line going across. So make them really long like this, going across. And then what I like to do is descend like one note at a time, delete these top notes, and what I'll do is Control select all, Shift click, Control and press up to go one octave up, and select all notes again, Shift click, and go one octave down to get the bass notes. So it would sound like this. I'll bring it down one octave. So we're going to start there, and what I like to do is shorten the first set of notes and lengthen the second set. That goes for this one also. Shorten it by 2. I'm working in quarter beats here, so you can follow along. So it would sound something like this. So I'm going to slow it down a little bit more to around 96 there. And what you can also do is add notes in between. So we have the bass notes, and we have the root notes, and what we're going to do is add some notes in between. So we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have a chord there, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. And we have this. So what we're going to do is press Ctrl A to highlight everything, Alt and scroll down to bring down the velocity, to let it be a little bit more quieter, and Alt R to randomize the velocity of each note, and press accept. Be sure that the settings is on bipolar, so you can get random. So what I'm going to do here is add a soft piano. It is really important, because the sounding of the piano the sound of the piano brings out the note, the emotions of the chord. So I'm going to select keyscape for this example and select the softest LA Custom C7 preset for this example. Now it's completed, and what we're going to do is copy and paste over this card. We delete FL keys for now, and this is what it actually sounds like now with the soft piano. Great. So we're going to add some more notes to it for it to stand out a little bit more. So what I like to do is like count from the starting of the next chord progression, 1 2 3, and add my first notes here. 1 2 3. But this one I'm going to make 4. And you're going to move around the notes until it sounds really pleasant to you. So this one also, see if it sounds good there. So what I'm going to do here is turn this down a little bit more. So you're getting the vibe. So what you can also do, is Control A and transpose it from scale to scale. So transpose it to different scales. So this one is in F minor. So if I select R, press shift and press down and play it again. So it gives you a different vibe again. So you can really test different scales. So if I go up one more. And go up again. So you can, play around and add different notes to give different variation. So this is one of the ways that I go about getting different emotional sounds in my chord progression. So I hope this really helps in some ways where you can use this technique to improve upon what you already have to get that emotional thing going. So without further ado, until next time I catch you in the next tutorial, it's your boy Eldorado. Peace out.